Hello, welcome to my channel AJ Studio. In the previous video we have seen what is an exception. In this video we will see how to handle an exception. Exception is nothing but an abnormal condition. So that abnormal condition, what it will do, you have seen in the previous video. When you encounter 50 divided by 0, the ninth line not get executed, because here in this line, after the seventh line, when it comes to seventh line, it will abnormally terminate. It's an abnormal condition. How do you handle it? So that handling is nothing but exception handling. That whatever handling is called as exception handling. What I'm trying to do is let's see how to handle the exception using try and catch. In Java we use try and catch. So here you can use try and catch. It's very simple. You should put wherever the problem happens. So problem happens in seventh line, 50 divided by 0. So whatever the problem code is there, you should put inside try and catch. That is try. Should put that inside try. Okay. So immediately after that, you should use catch. Immediately after that, so you know what type of exception it is. It is arithmetic exception. You should write that. I'm catching arithmetic exception. Of course, the object of that, and I'm trying to print whatever inside that arithmetic exception. Print something. System.out.println. Inside that, I am trying to print. The object of that is e. Okay. What I'm trying to do is just wait a minute. Okay, now it's fine. So I have put seventh line inside try, inside the try. That means whatever the risky code is, the risk or whatever the exception is happening, seventh I'm trying to put it in try block. Okay, and after that I'm catching that whatever the exception. So I'm catching that catch using catch block. Inside that, what type of exception? Arithmetic exception e, and I'm trying to print the object of that exception e. E is an object, so I'm printing that. Let's see what will happen here. In the previous output, you can see it was showing an error, I mean exception. Okay, after that it is not printing this line. After the exception, it's not printing. Now I'll run this. I'll save and I'll run this. Okay, run. Okay. You can see here, it's very clear here. See, java.lang.arithmeticException. It is printing this e. You can see this e I'm printing. So java.lang.divide by 0, it is printing. After that, it is even printing after the exception. You can see after the exception is also printing. That means you are handling the exception. You are handling the exception. So here, actually, exception handling is done in Java. So using try and catch. If you don't use try and catch, of course this line after the exception will not get printed, which you have seen in previous video. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say, which will be useful. See, I have typed try and catch. If you have more way, see, I'll just show you everything. So this was the code. Okay, what you do is you select this seventh line. This is actually exception happens. Then go to source. Okay, go to source. Then here surround with the try and catch block. You just click surround with the try and catch. So automatically all the things will be put up. See, try, int, catch, everything is put up. So it's very simple. You select this, go to source. Okay, then surround with the try and catch block. So if you do that, automatically everything will come. So now I'll compile this and I will run this code. Yeah, it is printing java.lang exception handling, except because I have put e dot print stack trace, whatever is that. Print stack trace is a prints throwable standard error string. Okay, to print the error. After that, it is printing after the exception also. You can see after the exception, 15th line is also getting printed. So this is how you can handle exception. There is any problem happens, so you should put it in try and catch block. I hope you have understood this video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.